back to our channel. I am Prerna from the Urban Platter studio, and today we are going to make black raisin oatmeal cookies. These cookies are easy to make and you can have them for breakfast or even as an evening snack. The main highlight of this cookie recipe, Urban Platter's black raisins are Fairtrade certified. Now you might be wondering what is Fairtrade. So basically when you buy a Fairtrade product, it allows the farmer to get a good deal because there is no middleman between the farmer and you. So now that you have a good understanding of what Fairtrade means, let's get baking with this super easy recipe. And our oatmeal cookies are ready. They look amazing and the texture is really good. They are crispy on the outside, however the center is still soft. The black raisins are adding a nice chewy texture and the crunch is provided by the oats that we used. I hope you liked this recipe, and if you did, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more such vegan baking content. And see you next time. Bye!